Good day, English learners. My name is Teacher JP. I am here because I want to extend my knowledge to all of you and help you understand English grammar easily. In this video, you will learn about understanding complements and how you can use them. So we have two types of complements. It can either be a subject complement or an object complement. Now let's proceed to the first one, which is the subject complement. Now, what is a subject complement? A subject complement is a word or phrase that follows a linking verb and identifies or describes the subject. So it can either be a noun or adjective as long as it identifies and describes the subject. Take note that a linking verb is used to link a subject to a new identity or description. Now let's look at some examples. The sentence here is the box is a present. In this sentence, we have the box as the subject, is as the linking verb, and the word present is a noun, which is a subject complement because it identifies the word box. Now, let's look at another one. Again, we have the box as the subject, smells as the linking verb, and funny, an adjective, is our subject complement because it describes our subject. It gives description to the word box. Now, I hope you are getting the idea of how subject complements are used, so let's have one more example. Now, in this sentence, we have the word cousin as the subject, became as the linking verb, and the word president is a noun that functions as a subject complement because it identifies the word cousin, which is our subject. Now, as you have noticed, a subject complement can either be a noun or an adjective that describes or identifies the subject. Now, let's proceed to the second type of complement, which is the object complement. Now, what is the object complement? The object complement is a noun, pronoun, or adjective that follows a direct object to rename it or states what it has become. Unlike the subject complement that identifies or describes the subject, the object complement now describes or identifies the object. Now let's look at some examples. They painted the town green. The word they is our subject. Painted is our transitive verb. It is a transitive verb because we have a direct object, which is the town. And the word green is the object complement because it describes our object or it states what the object has become. Next one, we have the class voted Mariah president. Now, in this sentence, the word class is the subject, voted is our transitive verb, and Mariah is our direct object. Now, the word president is the object complement because it states what Mariah has become or it now identifies the direct object. Let's look at the last one. We consider the fish spoiled. The word we is the subject, consider is the transitive verb, fish is the direct object, and the word spoiled is the object complement because it states what the fish has become, which is spoiled. Now, I hope in this few examples you were able to notice something. As you can see, that the subject complement only describes or identifies the subject, while the object complements only describes or identifies the object. Now let's have a quick recap. In this slide, let's figure out which sentence here has the subject or the object complement. So let's look at the first one. The first one, the subject is John, and the complement is Captain. It has a subject complement because the word captain identifies our subject. Next one, let's look at the second example. We have John as the object and captain as the complement. And this one, captain is now our object complement because it states what the object has become. John is now the captain. So that is the difference of subject complements and object complements. So I hope in this quick video tutorial, I was able to enlighten you with the object complements and subject complements. Now, I just wish to thank Slides Carnival for this slide template. And if you want to see or if you want to have a reference on object and subject complements, I will be putting the link down below as well as where you can download the slides template. So that would be all. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.